Hello, in this video I wanted to show you a key fob cover for the Renault Zoe electric car. My wife drives the Renault Zoe electric car and was complaining that the default key is very slippery, can fall out of the hand easily, and also this black is really not that attractive. She drives the very cool blue model. And since her favorite color was pink, I thought, okay, let's look for something that will protect the key, because if it falls, a new key fob can easily set you back $100. So after looking, I found these soft, I guess it's like TPU type of model key cover, where you just slide in the Renault Zoe key. Comes in all the colors of the car and in many other colors. And this one actually, as you hear, is quite well protecting the key from incidental drops, and also has a decent grip. I got something similar for my electric car, the Opel Ampera electric, Chevrolet Bolt EV. And I'm just very happy with it because if the key falls, it's hard plastic, it's most likely to break or shatter. And with these sensitive electronics in there, I think a couple of euros will just protect the key well. I'll put a link in the description. Check out if you're interested, which one you like. Comes in many colors. This is just a particular design I found. Also comes with different shape sizes. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you use a cover for your key, and have you ever dropped your key in the past? I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.